DIY balloon bunch cake topper. For this we are using 4 balloons, 2 which are confetti, a metal craft wire, a straw and a balloon pump. We'll begin by blowing the balloon with a balloon pump. We take the nozzle all the way to the end of the balloon and blow. As you can see, the balloon is a nice round shape and we're keeping it in medium size, so not too big, not too small. We tie it nice and tightly so the air does not escape. We can push the balloon down and slightly shape it to give it a more rounder shape with our hand. Again, we've taken the nozzle to the top to give it a more round shape and tied it securely. We take off the elastic band at the end of the confetti balloon. That's secured so the confetti does not spill out. We take it off and take the nozzle higher up into the balloon and blow it. We blow this the same way as we blow a balloon without any confetti. Rub the balloon between the palm of your hands or a cloth to make the confetti static and stick around the balloon. Next, get 2 balloons. It does not matter which you pair up, and tie them together. Now we're going to put these 2 balloons together by simply attaching them and turning them around, securing them into place. Next, using the craft wire, you will simply fold it in half and put it around the balloon bunch that you've made. Make it go around all of the balloons and nicely secure it into place. Now get the end of the craft wire and insert it into the straw. Push it all the way down, and when it comes out the other side, pull it through and then push it nice and firmly on top of the balloon, and then the bottom of it we're just going to twist it like this, and this is ready to dig into the cake. And there, our balloon bunch is now ready. In the comments below, let us know what other colours you would like us to try, and also any more designs if you have in mind. Thank you so much for watching.
These are my favourite.